Okay, so today's topic is circular linked list, in which we can perform the creation of the circular linked list. In case of the creation of the circular linked list, the first operation which you can perform, why we can talk about the circular linked list, because in case of the single linked list we cannot move backward, and in case of the circular linked list, because the last node in a linked list is pointing to the first node here. So we can move backward also, because moving from a circular fashion, last node is pointing to first, and then you can traverse the previous node as well. So let's talk about this operation. The first operation is the creation of the circular linked list. In this case, we can call the first operation, that is create. In this create function, the first variable you can create is the choice type variable, which is used to take the user choice whether how many nodes you want to create. So till the user says that the choice is condition is becomes true, then the user create as many as nodes. And some local pointer, which is a tam builder PTR, which is used for the traversing and the node creation. And you can say that and then take the user choice except one, because at the choice 1 this loop terminates, and then you can take the choice, and then condition says that while the choice is not equals to 1. When the choice is not equals to 1, that means if your choice is 1, then this loop terminates. If the choice is other than 1, this loop continues. In this case, you are creating what? A local node here, that is a tam equals to node star, the malloc, the size of node. So you are creating here the one node which is named as tam. And obviously you can take the data in this node. This is your data. So this can perform this operation, where you can take the data in this particular node here tam, and then obviously. Now the next is if what you can do with this node. What is the raw data you can create here? You are creating here the one node which is named as tam, and you put your data here. So but this is a raw node. Okay, so how to place this node in a circular linked list? So you have to check whether where the start is. So first condition is that if the start is null. If the start is null, that means this node becomes the first node in the circular linked list. So you can say that the start is tam. So your tam is pointed by the start pointer. You can say that this is the first node in the circular linked list, and then obviously you can maintain another pointer, the PTR equals to tam. There is an interesting one. You can say the PTR equals to tam here. So your PTR is also pointing to this node. This is the first node here. So in the first if condition, you can perform this much operation, and when you call the second time calling, in the second time calling, again the condition is that if you can call with the help of this one, that is that do you want to create another one? You can say the choice is yes. When you choice other than one, obviously this condition again it creates the another node of the tam type. And the previous tam is no more exists, because that can be held by the start in the PTR, and the tam is creating another node. And in this case, what you can do, you can perform again the same. You can put the data here, and then you can put the data here. And the next operation which you can perform is that the start is null. No, the start is not null. In the else case, you get the PTR next equals to tam. So the PTR next equals to tam, that means your PTR next is pointing to here, and obviously the next is the PTR equals to tam. The PTR is moving to the next node. So this PTR is moving to next node. That means now your PTR is here. Okay, so this is the case. You can PTR is always pointing to the last node in the this case. So what happened? Again, you can say that do you want to create another node? You can say yes, or you can enter the choice other than one, and then again it creates the another node which is named as tam, and you put your data here. And then again check the condition. Again you can come here and you can say whether the start is null. You can say no. Then you can else. You can say the PTR next equals to tam. The PTR next equals to tam. Then we can say this tam, because whenever the new node is created by the tam, this earlier tam is no more exists, because every time the tam getting the new address from the heap area. And now what happened? In this case, when the PTR next equals to tam, then you can say obviously the PTR next is equals to tam, and the next is the PTR is equals to tam. That means your PTR is moving to the next node. So PTR is no more pointing to here, and now your PTR is pointing to the last node. Okay, now, so in this way your linked list can grow, and when you say that do you want to create another node, you can say that no, you can enter the choice 1. At the time, you can say this while loop terminates, and at the last, you have to say, because this is a circular linked list, you have to perform that the PTR next equals to start. So your start is the first node, your PTR is the last node. So you can say that the PTR next is pointing to the start here. So this is the circular fashion you have to create. First you have to create all the nodes in a linear fashion, and whenever you say that okay, fine, these many nodes are enough to create in a circular linked list, then at the last you can say your PTR next equals to start. So the PTR next is pointing to the first one, or in this case you are creating here as many as nodes in a circular linked list. Okay, okay, fine, thank you.